So welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we're going to be doing a POV video of my 1957 Volkswagen Bug. Obviously, looking at it, this Bug is not stock. It is a Pro Street setup. It has a full frame underneath it, 4-link suspension, tub rear end, and it's a pretty badass ride. Let's go around to the back here. Get a look from all angles. Show you guys the insides, very basic. It's got a very basic cage, pretty gutted, not a lot to it. So powertrain is a 406 small block, developing just a little north of 500 horsepower, turbo 400 transmission. 456 rear gears, and at 2,000 pounds, yeah, this thing moves really nicely. Runs out of gear really quickly, so it's definitely for eighth or quarter mile. But it's just such a cool build. The guy that did it, he just did such a good job on it. And it's just so cool to own, to be able to show off, start up, just run around the block is about all I really ever do with it, but it is just such a cool vehicle to own, and I love the way it was built, the way it was done. And that's the reason that it's still here. I haven't sold it yet, although it would be the next one on the chopping block if I were to get rid of another vehicle. I really don't want to. It's just, I don't know, it's just, to me, it's so cool. Others might not think it's cool. I think it's really cool. So I will fire it up here in just a second, get it released from its battery tender, and take you guys for a ride. It is on open headers, so it's gonna be very loud. I'm gonna disconnect the mic, or I think it'll be kind of an overload. And of course, I won't talk when I'm driving it. But yeah, this is just a really cool little ride. I think you'll see why after we take the spin around the block. So get right back to you guys. So there you have it. Yeah, this thing is an absolute beast. Not fast on the top end. I think about 100, 110 is about what it's worth, but it'll get there very quickly, especially if it could hook up. You guys saw in third gear at about 45 miles an hour, I stabbed it and it went sideways on me. And when I was getting into it the last time there, I was pedaling the first 2 gears and going a little light on the throttle, so that wasn't all in. But yeah, this thing is just, it's so cool to have. Like I said, it serves no practical purpose. All my other vehicles, at least they're somewhat practical. This serves no practical purpose, but it is a badass toy to have. It is definitely bragging rights, and I love it. It's just so cool. It makes me kind of giddy, actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, my PO box and Instagram is going to be in the description below. Guys, God bless, take care, have an absolutely amazing day.